Hello friends, today's recipe is pasta with bechamel sauce or white sauce. Everybody likes it, especially kids. You ask them which pasta would you like to eat? The reply would be mac and cheese. They like plain mac and cheese, but we can also make it with the addition of vegetables or seafood. Prawns also go well with this sauce. But today I am making it with two of my favorite vegetables, mushrooms and broccoli. So let's get started. Bechamel or white sauce pasta. Check out the ingredients list in the description box. Take water in a cooking pot to boil the pasta. Add little salt and about a tablespoon of oil. This will prevent the pasta from sticking. Bring it to a boil. Give it a mix so that the salt gets dissolved. Now add the pasta. You can take any variety of pasta you like. Mix it with a ladle and allow it to boil. While it is boiling, keep stirring intermittently few times so that it gets cooked evenly and doesn't stick to each other. Different pasta takes different time to cook, so accordingly you check it. Don't overcook the pasta, you have to keep it al dente. It should be little firm. Just check it. It's done. Strain the pasta, drain out the water and again add a tablespoon of oil and mix it gently. So this will stay separate until you add it to the sauce. To prepare the sauce, take a pan, add about 1 tablespoon of butter. To this add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix them together because the butter tends to become blackish after melting, so the oil will prevent that. Mix them together and let them melt. Now add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. We are going to fry it. Do this on low flame so that it doesn't become brown. At the same time, it's not raw, it gets cooked very well. Keep stirring continuously. You will see the color is changing little bit. Throughout maintain low flame. Now add milk. I am adding about 150 ml milk first. This is 200 ml packet. If needed, we'll add later. The pasta was about 1 cup. Give it a mix to avoid the lumps. Keep stirring. It's getting thicker. At this stage, add hot water or you can add stock. If you have vegetable stock or chicken stock, you can even add that. Keep stirring it until it starts bubbling. Now add little bit of salt. We are going to add cheese also, so be very careful with the salt. Little bit of black pepper, freshly crushed black pepper, or you can even add white pepper if you wish to. Give them a stir. Add the blanched broccoli. I usually blanch the broccoli and freeze it, so it's easier to use when you are ready to make pasta or any other dish. And the mushrooms also, I pan fry them and freeze them in a Ziploc bag. So I'm adding some mushrooms and broccoli. And here some Italian basil. Just tear the leaves and add to the sauce. 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. Mix them together with a spatula. Now we are going to allow them to cook a bit so that the flavors are infused into them. Cover and simmer on low flame. In between, open the lid and stir it. Now check the taste. Adjust the salt or spice level according to your preference. Now dip in the pre-cooked or boiled pasta. Some like to add even chili flakes to this. So go ahead and add whatever you like. Now we have given it a nice stir and we'll allow it to simmer until the pasta is done. I'm adding the remaining milk as well because the pasta will thicken on keeping, the sauce will thicken when you keep it for some time. Mix it and cover the lid, simmer it until done. Now you can see the sauce is perfect in texture, looks very delicious. Kids love to have mac and cheese, so they'll eat all the vegetables that you add to this pasta too. Or you could even make the non-veg version for them. Choice is yours. Dish it out in a serving plate. If you like, you can also sprinkle some chili flakes on top and serve with garlic bread. It's a complete meal. Enjoy! Thank you all for your love and support. Check out these videos from my collection and stay tuned for the next recipe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.